The former Vice President of Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar, to bless the young couple. The chairman of this occasion, Your Excellencies, former governors, Your Royal Highnesses, the bride and the groom, the parents, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me first of all offer on behalf of all of us the congratulations to the bride and the groom for this historic and unique day in their lives. Today, they are starting a new life as a couple. We are here to wish them and pray for them a successful married life and long life, and of course they say prosperity goes with it. So on behalf of my wife and everybody here, we want to wish the couple a very, very successful married life. But married life is not easy to come by. You need to be truthful to each other. You need to love each other. You need to be honest to each other. And you need to be sincere to each other. As parents, this is an advice I can give. And today is the second opportunity I had to attend the wedding of the children of my friend, Prof Mike Ozekhome. Let me congratulate you for all what you have achieved. God bless you all. Thank you very much.